it's possible using the accumulate facility to acquire multiple data transfers across an I2C bus. This could be useful, for example, in testing the linearity of a DAC. We can send multiple levels and check the commands and the levels that actually occurred. So in this case, in this particular test, 5 buffers were required of different settings. So here is setting number 1, and here we can see that both the channel A and channel B DACs switched from a positive to a more negative voltage. And if we go on to the buffer number 2, here we can see that they both switched in the opposite direction, in the positive direction, both but at the same level in this particular case. So now we go to step 3. Again, they've switched negative, but here we can see channel A didn't switch such a high voltage. So we could actually measure this with the cursors, for example. So the channel A, in this particular case, switched 850 millivolts, whereas the channel B switched a higher voltage switch, and in this particular case it was switching 1.21 volts. So we could go now and check the actual command which created the step. So if we look in the data transfer to the channel A, this is packet number 724, and we can do a search for the particular packet number. So we can then select packet and select 724, and here we see data packet 724, and the actual command sent to create this switch was in fact command hex 26. So it's possible then to do more in-depth analysis of the linearity of the DAC.